It's time for another tech tip with Appliance Video. Today, we're going to take a look at, are microwaves worth repairing, or are they just disposable? Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. So, your microwave stopped working, and you want to decide if it's better to have it repaired, or should you toss it out and purchase another one? The answer depends on a few things, mostly which type of microwave you have. Freestanding counter microwaves tends to be a cheaper option than a built-in unit. While they can still be repaired, microwave repairs can be rather dangerous and highly recommended to be completed by a professional. So before you have a company come out to diagnose it and give you an estimate, you need to decide what is the threshold that you want to spend repairing versus replacement. If the countertop microwave is older than 7 years old, in most cases the cost of repair will exceed about 50% the cost of replacing a microwave with a new one. So it would still be cheaper to do the repair. However, if you were leaning towards something newer with newer features, then you should consider that before repairing. The second type of microwave are built-ins, or microwaves mounted above a stove or cooktop. These units are normally more expensive, larger in size, and needing to be installed to use. To replace these microwaves, you must uninstall and reinstall a new unit, which increases your cost exponentially. The rule of thumb on these units is, if it's under 11 years of age, consider having a technician come out and do the repair. 80 to 90% of the time, the unit can be repaired less than 50% of the cost of a new unit, because of all the installation costs involved when purchasing a new unit. With the cost of appliances on the rise, it is becoming more and more apparent to try and repair rather than replace. In the end, there will be more money in your pocket, an appliance you are familiar with, and one less appliance sitting in a garbage dump. Hey, if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.